Indulge in the savory delight of our simple chicken meal, a recipe designed for those seeking a quick and delicious culinary experience. To embark on this culinary journey, gather the following ingredients: boneless chicken, olive oil, garlic, onion, bell peppers, cherry tomatoes, salt, pepper, paprika, and fresh herbs like thyme or rosemary. Begin by preparing your boneless chicken, cutting it into bite-sized pieces. In a pan, heat olive oil over medium heat. Add finely chopped garlic and sauté until it releases its fragrant aroma. Introduce the chicken pieces to the pan, ensuring they cook to a golden brown perfection. As the kitchen fills with the irresistible scent of sizzling chicken, add diced onions and let them caramelize to enhance the depth of flavors. Incorporate colorful bell peppers for a burst of vibrancy and a handful of cherry tomatoes to infuse a touch of sweetness. Season your creation with a pinch of salt, a dash of pepper, and a sprinkle of paprika to elevate the overall taste. Let the ingredients meld together, creating a harmonious blend of flavors. Feel free to get creative by adding fresh herbs like thyme or rosemary for an aromatic finish. Serve this delectable simple chicken meal on a bed of fluffy rice or alongside your favorite sides, allowing the savory medley to take center stage on your dining table. Quick, easy, and bursting with flavor, this dish promises a delightful dining experience for any occasion. Bon appetit!